What's up, YouTube? It's me. I'm back. I haven't uploaded in a while, but tonight I'm gonna have some content for you guys. Right now we're in the M240. You know, I still got the G80. It's just been sitting, honestly. So yeah, tonight the Mexico is at 10, and right now it's what time is it? Shit, it's 8. So yeah. Right now I'm currently just cruising around, just waiting for the time to be. So yeah, modifications done to the M240. I actually haven't done anything to it. It's still the same. Yeah, the same power, the same stuff. Honestly, I haven't really done anything. We're heading to the Mexico spot now. We're meeting to this secret location that apparently like the drivers only are gonna meet up at. So yeah, we'll be there in 18 minutes. We'll see what happens. Yeah, there's like people racing right now. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what's going on. There was like a 4-way race, and then actually, I don't know what happened. E40 is not it right now. I think we should lose almost every run. Actually, it's not moving that bad. It's just that guy was too fast. It's moving pretty smooth. Pretty nice. It's like perfect. We're not too fast and we're not too slow. Or if we were too fast, I think we would have beat him too fast, too much. That was a good one. Jump, but you still feel me? I wish I had E in the back in the trunk so I could just put a little bit more and maybe I'll beat him. Alright, here we go. went to I guess a driver meeting. I don't know what happened there. We got carried away a little bit, but now we're going to a driver meeting. So now we're actually gonna race for road. That was just us doing a test pass, I guess. Back south where we came from. I don't know if people are still racing. A lot of people raced on the way there. I don't know about now, but just cruising right now. So if a race pops up, record it. That thing was really slow. What the hell? I feel like my hatch is fast doing that. Hey y'all, I set one more race for y'all. It's this Mustang, this is M4, and that's it. The night is over. So I don't know who will win. We'll try to catch up or like be next to them, but we're gonna lose them. So oh well. E38 life, and I got a exhaust leak too. That and I am. That was pretty close, the M41. I knew it was going to be a good race. Okay, I think that's the best we can do. That was sketchy too. I don't know why my car was moving so much. It might be because I need an alignment.